Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another Luvme Hair wig install. Now if you don't know about Luvme Hair, they actually produce game changer on effortless wig installations. Their wigs are 100% ready to go. They come in uncompromising quality, and of course they come at a really good price. Switching it up is everything, and Luvme Hair makes sure that they give you tons of options when it comes to nice glueless wigs that literally come out the box ready to install. So the wig that I'm actually wearing today is like this Yaki straight texture bob wig. It does come layered, as you guys can see. It comes with a C part, as you guys can see as well, and she is 100% glueless. A couple of things that I like about this bob wig is, for one, the cut definitely helps to frame your face. Two, the lace is definitely undetectable. I did not have to use any product to secure this lace down. Also, I love how she came defined already with the C part. Literally, there was nothing I had to do. This lace is HD lace, so yeah, you guys, she comes ready to go. And by the way, the length of this bob wig is 10 inches. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how quick and easy it was to install this wig. Literally took me less than 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and jump on into this install. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump on into this install. So of course I had to give you guys some more clips because this bob was actually really cute. I look like my mom, but it's really cute. So I'm giving you guys a full unboxing. The one thing that I like that Luvme Hair sent was like that bag and also that sticker thing. That way you can actually label your wigs and you know which is which. If you own a lot of wigs, that definitely comes in handy. So this is their layered cut Yaki straight left C part glueless minimalist HD lace bob wig. It comes ready to go. I have this in 10 inches and this is 150% density. Now of course I'll be giving you guys some more close-ups of the wig in itself. The cap does have 3 different combs. It has the adjustable elastic band for a glueless wig install, and it only has that little bit of lace that is already defined for you with the C part curve. So literally there's nothing that you have to do on your own except add some makeup onto that lace and then throw her on. So after you add that makeup on the lace, adjust the adjustable strap to your preference and then go ahead and throw the wig on. Now just so you guys know, there is 3 different combs inside of this wig cap. I like to use the combs in my wigs because when you give me a minimalist wig like this with minimalist lace, I prefer to do a no spray, no glue wig install. If you tell me this is supposed to be a ready to go wig, then yeah, that's how we're going to install it, okay? So using the comb inside of the wig does help to lay the lace a lot flatter, at least in my personal opinion. But if you are a girly that does not like to use the combs inside of your wig units, you can still use your adjustable strap. It really all just depends on your preference, okay? So I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to really see what the hair is looking like, get all the extra hair out of my face, make sure everything is laying flat, and then we are going to cut off all the additional lace that we do not need, and I cut right in front of the hairline. Now that all of that lace is gone, we are really seeing what this HD lace is capable of. She is definitely giving scalp, so I'm just dabbing a little bit more foundation right at the edge just to make sure that everything is blended in, and she definitely was. Now being that we have minimalist lace to work with, I don't have to do my whole, part wax stick, hot comb, part wax stick, hot comb. We don't have to do all that today. We just have to do the bare minimum, which is why this is called a minimalist wig. So after I make sure the hair is laying completely flat with the hot comb, I did add some makeup in the part area as well, and I did use a lighter foundation. I'm using a lighter foundation mostly because your scalp is a lot lighter than the rest of your skin tone, so I'm trying to mimic that because I want this wig to look completely natural. Now when it comes to short bob wigs, I don't have like too much of a neck when it comes to bob wigs, so they need to lay or look a certain way to me. Now the hair literally does come ready to go, but I wanted to add just a little bit more bump to it, that way it frames my face even better. So I just went in with my flat iron and touched up a few pieces. You guys, I promise you I installed this wig in less than 5 minutes, which is why this tutorial is like 6 minutes and 30 seconds, because she was super quick and super easy to put on, and I love me some Yaki straight hair. The texture is really nice and I feel like it's very believable. Like you would probably think that it is my hair just off of the texture alone. No shedding whatsoever and no tangling whatsoever. The hair was really easy to work with. Okay, she is looking good. Now I am going to grab just a little piece of hair and put it behind my ear just to close off like where the lace ends. There's like this little area where you can actually notice it. I just really wanted to hide that, and I did not want to cut any type of baby hair whatsoever because I don't like doing that. But this is the final look, you guys. The hair was super pretty, and I really hope you saw how easy it was to install. And of course, she's 100% glueless. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. Let me know how you guys like this wig in the comment section down below. Remember that this wig literally comes ready for you to just throw on and leave your house. I love the fact that she's 100% glueless, and of course she does frame my face, which is great. The layered bob wigs, ready to go bob wigs from Luvme Hair are always amazing. I will have all of the links and information regarding this wig unit in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and as always, I will see you next time. Bye.